Hi there. I'm really glad that you are interested enough to come and look at this video about our licences. I'm a passionate educator. I'm from Australia, originally from the UK, and I've been working with children for 30 plus years. I think that when we help children, when we help them to learn, we actually transform the future. So teachers, for me, I think you are the most unbelievably important parts of society, and you need good tools to be able to teach with.
Ants in my pants, ants in my pants, wiggle wobble, ants in my pants. That's really good.
So over the years that I have worked with children, I have noticed that there are particular strategies that have really, really good effects with children. So we do a lot of research at my centre in Perth, and what we've done over the years is we have developed strategies, lesson plans, materials that will work with all of the children that you work with. So our licences are really to help you to be able to use my methods in your own centre. And basically, when you buy a licence, whatever sort of licence you buy, you are given specific lesson plans, you are given a lot of supporting materials, and most important, you are given the ability to contact us at any time about any difficulties that you're having. So it's a boutique style of licence, and you have this full support built in all the time. So first of all, we've got our literacy licences, and they apply for children from 2 years up right through to the end of primary school. Right? We have our literacy licences. We also have a licence for STAR, and STAR just stands for Students at Risk. And really that licence is all about helping children who are actually very smart, they have normal intelligence, but for some reason they're just not achieving at the level where they should be. So it's about helping those children to gain confidence, to gain that belief in themselves, and to be able to master the basic literacy skills. So STAR is a very important part of our programs. Then we have our EQ for Kids program. EQ for Kids is all about emotional intelligence. And emotional intelligence is like the fire that makes everything work. So an emotionally intelligent child knows how to be assertive. They know a bit about their strengths. They understand that they're not strong at everything, that we all have weaknesses. They are able to control their emotions, and they're able to help themselves to feel self-motivated as well, and to deal with life's ups and downs, because we all have these highs, lows. We have to learn how to deal with them. So the EQ for Kids program is actually written at 4 different levels. So it spans children very, very young, right, our preschoolers, all the way up to the end of the primary school. And EQ for Kids also comes with songs, with recommended books, with a lot of books that we have written, and very, very full lesson plans, and also workbooks to help the children to really consolidate what they've learned. So all of these programs are very important, and they all fit in well together. So what you need to do now is to have a look at the brochures. Have a look at the brochures that give you a few more details about our licences, and see what it is that you want to do to achieve with the groups of children that you work with. And you are very, very welcome to contact us directly and ask as many questions as you like. And we will make sure that all of our contact details are on here for you to get back to us. So thank you for looking and listening, and I hope that we do get to hear from you.